Hey there! Welcome back to Legend Finance. Isn't it fascinating how the allure of precious metals, particularly gold and silver, has held us captivated for centuries? These earthly treasures aren't just a feast for the eyes, but also pack quite a punch when it comes to investment opportunities. From the dawn of civilization, their rarity, durability, and sheer beauty have made gold and silver objects of desire and symbols of wealth. And today, we're embarking on a captivating journey into the world of investing in these magnificent metals, guiding you on how to incorporate them into your financial strategy. So fasten your seatbelts and brace yourselves as we embark on this glittering journey into turning your fascination with gold and silver into an intelligent and profitable investment approach. Imagine gold. This lustrous metal has intrigued and inspired humans across time and cultures, and for good reason. Gold is more than just a pretty face. It's a precious element with unique characteristics that make it not just a delightful addition to your jewelry box, but a solid investment tool. It's incredibly rare, which adds to its high demand, and it's not a metal that's used up in industrial processes, but rather crafted into exquisite pieces of jewelry or commemorative coins that people treasure. You may be wondering, why does gold hold a premium over other metals? The answer lies in the economic principle of supply and demand. Metals like aluminum or copper are widely used in industries, forming the backbone of everyday objects like cans or wires. On the other hand, gold is transformed into luxury items like jewelry, which naturally holds a higher demand. Consequently, gold often comes with a heftier price tag. But the allure of gold doesn't end there. Gold is a fantastic investment because it maintains its value over time. Unlike paper currency, which can lose its value in an economic downturn, gold is a tangible asset that you can physically hold, and it serves as a reliable store of value. If you're seeking an investment avenue that not only appreciates over time but also offers a hedge against inflation, gold is a contender you should seriously consider. Trading versus owning gold. Alright, now that we've touched on why gold is such an enchanting asset, let's dive into how we can leverage its value. There are two main routes you can take: trading gold or owning gold, each with its own set of strategies and objectives. Trading gold is akin to being a sailor navigating the ever-changing tides of the market. You buy and sell gold routinely, aiming to profit from the short-term price swings. Imagine the market as a sea with the price of gold as the waves. Traders try to predict these waves, whether they'll rise or fall, and make trades that could turn a profit. They do this through various financial instruments like gold futures contracts, options, or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Think of these as your compass and map, guiding you through your seafaring journey. Owning gold, on the other hand, is more like being a farmer planting seeds for the future. You're investing in physical gold, be it in the form of shiny gold bars or exquisite coins, and safely storing them away for the long haul. Or you might invest in gold-backed funds like mutual funds or ETFs. Here, the goal isn't to ride the market waves for quick gains, but to keep gold as a safe store of value, like a bountiful harvest that diversifies your portfolio and shields it against the harsh winter of inflation. So, the key difference between trading and owning gold lies in the time frame and the profit-making approach. Traders are like surfers, riding the waves of price changes for short-term gains, while gold owners are more like patient gardeners, planting seeds of gold for long-term stability and safety. It's all about what suits your style and financial goals. Gold. Armor against inflation. Now, let's address the other hefty topic, inflation. Inflation is like a pesky hole in your wallet, slowly draining the purchasing power of your hard-earned money. It's when the overall price tags for goods and services in an economy start ticking upwards, meaning every dollar you hold starts buying less and less. During such times, gold investments can be a brilliant move, as gold has a reputable history of being a sturdy shield against inflation. Let's paint a clearer picture. Suppose you have $10,000 ready for investment. You're concerned about inflation nibbling away at your money's value, so you wisely split your funds. $5,000 goes into a diversified mix of stocks and bonds, and the other $5,000 you invest in glittering physical gold. Over the next few years, inflation rears its head and the cost of goods and services begins to climb. Consequently, the buying power of your $5,000 invested in stocks and bonds may begin to dwindle in real terms, but the value of your $5,000 in gold is likely to stand tall. Gold, you see, is viewed as a safe haven asset, a comforting lighthouse amidst the stormy seas of economic uncertainty. Being a physical asset, unlike paper money, it can't be conjured up out of thin air and thus tends to preserve its value over the long haul. Hence, owning gold during periods of rampant inflation can be a savvy move, protecting your purchasing power and adding a layer of diversification to your portfolio. But remember, just like navigating any treasure map, investing in gold comes with its own challenges and potential pitfalls. It's critical to chart your course wisely, conduct thorough research, seek guidance from a trusted financial advisor, and align your investment decisions with your financial objectives and risk appetite. This way, you ensure your golden adventure is as rewarding as it is thrilling. Storing gold. So now, if you've considered buying gold, the question is, where to store it? Gold investments can be stored in several different ways, depending on your preferences and the amount of gold you have. Here are some common storage options. 1. Home storage. If you have a small amount of gold, you may choose to store it at home in a safe or other secure location. This can be convenient, but it's important to ensure that your storage method is secure and that you have adequate insurance coverage in case of theft or loss. 2. Bank safe deposit box. Another option is to store your gold in a bank safe deposit box. This can provide an extra layer of security, as banks have high-level security measures in place. However, it's worth noting that the contents of a safe deposit box are not insured by the FDIC, so it's important to have separate insurance coverage for your gold. 3. Third-party storage. For larger amounts of gold, you may choose to store it with a third-party storage provider. These companies specialize in secure storage for precious metals and often have facilities with high-level security features like armed guards, 24/7 surveillance, and biometric access controls. This option can provide the most security, but it comes with fees for storage and transportation. It's important to keep in mind that storage costs can vary depending on the method you choose and the amount of gold you have. Additionally, if you choose to store your gold outside of your home, you'll need to consider transportation costs and potential risks during transport. Ultimately, the best storage option for your gold investments will depend on your individual circumstances. Price trends in the gold value. Just like anything worth of value, its cost and actual value change from time to time, so make sure that you are aware of this fact when buying gold. On September 2021, the value of gold in American dollars was approximately $1,800 per ounce. It's worth noting that the price of gold can fluctuate rapidly based on a variety of factors, such as global economic conditions, political events, and changes in supply and demand. If you need up-to-date information on the current value of gold, I recommend checking a reputable financial news source or consulting with a professional in the financial industry. It's important to keep in mind that investing in gold, like any investment, comes with its own set of risks and potential rewards. As we get closer to the year 2024 and beyond, the value of gold may have changed drastically since our last update. So if you're considering investing in gold, it's crucial to stay up to date with the latest market trends and get your information from reputable sources. Take the time to research the current state of the gold market and understand how various economic factors may affect the price of gold. Remember, investing in gold is a long-term strategy that requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to weather market fluctuations. And don't forget to consult with a financial advisor or investment professional before making any major investment decisions. They can provide valuable insight and guidance to help you make informed decisions and achieve your investment goals. So whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, be sure to stay informed and keep your eye on the gold. And there we have it, my fellow treasure seekers, the end of our shimmering journey into the world of gold. We've journeyed together, learning how gold, the age-old asset, can be a wise choice for those who seek to broaden their investment horizons and safeguard their financial future against the winds of inflation. The gold market's many faces, from trading in those fast-paced gold futures to the classic move of investing in physical bullion, open up a whole spectrum of opportunities for all of you budding gold enthusiasts. However, let's not forget, with the shiny allure of gold, there's always a touch of caution to be taken. Before you sprint off towards your nearest gold dealer or start clicking furiously on that online gold platform, remember that gold, like any investment, carries its own set of risks and potential pitfalls. Therefore, the need to do your own thorough research, take advice from a trusted financial advisor, and always invest within your financial boundaries cannot be overstated. And my friends, as we bid you farewell for now, we leave you with this golden morsel of wisdom. Be it gold or any other avenue of investment you choose to embark upon, always keep that spark of curiosity alive, stay updated, and above all, stay golden. Continue on your path to becoming a legend in your financial journey. Thanks a million for joining us on this gilded adventure. We sincerely hope you found it as enlightening as it was enjoyable. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and for more legendary finance content, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our future explorations. Until our next financial adventure, remember to keep that spirit of legend alive and stay legendary.